what we're going to do is replace the sky in this picture. The sky is a bit dull, it's just washed out. This is a picture of the beach at Cleveland's, and the sky we're going to put in is this sky. This was actually taken over Rochdale just last week. So we're going to put the sky in here, plus we're actually going to make sure it reflects onto the ground to give it some dramatic effects and make it look a little bit more realistic. So the first thing we need to do is copy this. If you're on a Mac, it's Command and A and Command and C to copy, then to paste it in, Command V, and as you can see it adds another layer, the sky being the new layer. What we then need to do is move this up, and we need to drop it onto the horizon there. It's not big enough, so we do need to make it bigger. So Command and T, which is transform, and we can stretch this out on both sides. There we go. So that's good. We'll approve that. So you got your new sky in. Obviously it just doesn't look real at all because this is obviously a bright summer's day and this is as the sun's going down. So how we get around that, we are going to duplicate the sky. So we get onto the layer, bring it down here. There we go, and we've got a copy there. As you can see, we've got two layers of sky now. So what we need to do though is make the bottom layer mirror the top layer. So we're going to go on transform again, so it's Command T, and we're going to flip vertical, and there we go. So we have it. Match that up. We need to cover the ground because we don't want it looking odd colours. There we go. There we go, all lined up. What we need to do now is select both the sky layers, and we're going to merge them into one. So it's right click, merge layers. There we go. Now this is where the magic happens. As you can see, sky, that's one layer, and that's another layer. So make sure your sky layer is selected, and you go on to where it says normal, click on the drop down box and you go to multiply. There we go. As you can see, the whole picture has changed. However, you got a lot of sky definition on the ground and in the sea, and it just doesn't look real at all. So what we need to be doing, select the area. I'm just going to go into this a little bit more, a bit bigger. So with the lasso tool, just roughly, it doesn't have to be dead on the line or anything like that. Lasso tool, we want the sun in, go over the boats that are on the horizon. The reason being we do want them not to show any of the sky going through them. So we're happy with that. All selected. From there, we're going to go into a filter, and it's the blur filter, the Gaussian blur. Now this has to be over 150 really. I've tried it on all kinds of settings, but I find over 150 is the best. So that's about 170. As you can see, because it gives you an example there. There, 170 is okay. Press OK. And Command and D, and you've deselected it. There we go, and that's smoothed it out. You've still got the colours coming through, but you can't see the clouds. You just got the reflection of the sun glistening there. There's no clouds going over the ships, and a completely different picture. So you got before and after.